In this video, I will show you how to make the analytic dashboard by using Shopify React Router app. You will get the last 30 days sale, the orders of last 30 days and the customer and the top selling products and the sale day by day which you have made in last 7 days. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So I hope you will like this video. So let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code and then open the terminal. And right now I am in the D drive YouTube folder. I will type Shopify app init. It will start installing the app in my local machine. So once you hit enter Shopify app init, it will ask you build a React Router app or build an extension only. If you are building complete app with the front end, you will select build a React Router app. But if you are building an extension only, then you can select build an extension only. So in our case, we will select build a React Router app and hit enter. For your React Router template, which language do you want to select? So we have two options, JavaScript and TypeScript. So in our case, we will use JavaScript. And then it will ask you which organization is this work for. So these are different organizations in my Shopify partner account. I will select my right organization, which is Wixop Technologies. I will select that and hit enter. And finally, it will ask you create this project as a new app on Shopify, or you can connect with the existing one. So if you have created any app through the Shopify partner admin, you can select no, connect it with an existing app. But in our case, we will create a new app and we will select the option yes, create it's a new app. And then it will ask you the name of your app. So I will say Analytics Dashboard and hit enter, and it will start installing the app in my local machine. It will take a few minutes, so I will pause the video. Okay, now the app is installed. We can run cd analytics dashboard to go to the our Shopify app directory, or you can go to the file and open the folder and go to YouTube and open this file and this folder and select folder, and now open the terminal again. Now we are in the Shopify app folder. You can see we are in YouTube Analytics Dashboard, and from here you can type Shopify app dev, or you can type npm run dev. So once you hit this command, it will start your Shopify app, and it will ask you which store you would like to use this view your project. So in my case, I will type this Wixo checkout to view our app. And once our app is ready and installed, we can open GraphQL by pressing G, and this is the GraphQL interface where we can make the GraphQL queries. And if I go back and if you press P, it will take you to the store where we can view our app. So you can see the home page of our app. This is the home page, and this is coming from app routes app._index.jsx. And if you would like to make any changes, you can go to the front end component and you can change the text over here. So let's try to find this text on this file, this one, and you can type whatever you would like. And save the changes, and these changes will automatically applied over here. So we are going to create a new page for our analytic dashboard. To create a new route in Shopify React Router App, you need to add a new file inside the route folder, and you can name it app.analytics.jsx. And over here you can copy and paste the function, something like this, and you can return function, and inside that you can say this is my analytic dashboard, and change the function name to analytics. And if you go back and type /analytics, and you can see your page over here. This is my analytic dashboard. So let's go here, and now we are going to import some functions like use loader data, use fetcher. So I will import them. Use loader data from the React router, and similarly I will import use fetcher from the React router, and then I will import authenticate from the server, and I can say Shopify server, and then I will import use average from the Shopify app bridge React module, and finally import useEffect from React. And over here I will create a function const ISO date function to format our date, and I will pass d inside that, and type const d is equal to new date function, and I will pass the date, and after that I will return the date t dot to iostring dot split, and remove t not 0. This is the helper function we will be using to format the date. So we use loader data to load the data from the server, use fetcher to handle the refresh at our page, and use average is used to the toast notification, and use effect to make the API calls, and iOS date to format the date in Shopify friendly. Next, we will create the loader function. So we'll say export const loader, and that will be a async function, and inside that we will pass request, and then we will const admin and authenticate our request dot admin, and we'll pass the request over here. And now we will create some variable like what is the date right now. So we'll say const now is equal to new date, and it will give us the current date. And then we will have another variable day 30 to get the date of minus 30 days. So new date, and we will pass now inside that, and then d30 dot set date, and we'll pass now dot get date minus 30. It will give us the 30 days window. And similarly we will do for the 7 days. I'll say const 7 and the 7 and minus 7. And finally we will say const Q30 to make the query to get the 30 days order. I will say template string created underscore at, and then the sign, and we will pass the ISO function, and we'll format the date in the Shopify friendly, and we will do the same for the Q7. It will return the Q7. So now we have 30 days and 7 days data variable, and we can make the GraphQL query. So let me copy and paste the GraphQL query over here, and I will explain you everything. And as you can see, we have a response await admin.graphql query. In this query we have this function dashboard data, and we pass the Q30 and Q7 string, and we are fetching first order 30 and the order 7 for the 30 days order and for the 7 days order. So we'll fetch first 250 orders, and we pass the date of 7 days, and then we will count the orders, and we will have order count for 30, and then the customer count for that, and this is the variable we pass Q30 and Q7, and once we get the response, we will convert that response into JSON. And after that, we will, let me copy and paste this. So after that, we will get the response. We will find out the 30 days order, 7 days order, and then total orders for 30 days, customer count, and we will get the sum of the how much we have earned through those orders in the sum and the total of 30 days. And then let me copy and paste the code for this. For the 7 days day bucket, we will loop through the buckets how much we have earned in last 7 days every day. So this is the loop for that. And then we will map through the products, which products is sold the highest. Like we will grab all the products from those orders and we will see which has the most of the quantity sold, and we will make that product to at the top. And finally, we will return this data. We will return this data to the front-end loader. We'll total orders, customer count, total sale of the last and top 20 products. So now let's go back to the front-end module. In the front-end module, let me copy and paste this. And first, we will get the data by using use loader data. Then we use the fetcher, use fetcher, and Shopify use average and the useEffect for the toast. And then we have the helper and a refresh button. So I'll say for the currency, we converted the currency into the USD, and then we extract the return data, something like this, and we have these variable customer count, total data, and this is from this data array. Use loader data, we define all the variables, and then we will return this function where we will pass everything. Let me copy and paste this sections and the two products. So I replaced the data, and this is the complete working file. And if I go back to my app, you will see we have access denied for the orders field. This is because we don't have defined the scope. So I'll go to the app.toml and you will type write orders to get the orders, and write customers to get the customer, and you can quit the app and you can say Shopify app deploy. It will deploy these configurations. So once you do that, it will ask you, yes, release the new function, new version, because we have changed the access scope and now we have a new version. Now run Shopify npm run dev, and it will take you to the store view again. So it is preparing our preview. Once it is ready, go back again and reload the page. And now you can see we have another error. This app is not approved to access the order object. So we need to get approved this app to view the order object. So we can go to the Shopify partner, and where I have this app, I will go there, and then I will go to the app and distribution. I click on this app, Analytics Dashboard, and you can go to API access request, and you can go to this requested access, and from here you can select app functionality, save that, and similarly for the other options. So I will complete all these things, and I have completed all the information. And if I go back, and now you can see we have our analytic, we have all the total sale of last 30 days, we have 10 orders, 7 customers, and our product, this is our top product. So if I go to the orders again and create a new order, and if I select, let's say, any other product, this one, and change the quantity to 10, and select the customer, any customer from here, collect payment, mark complete, create the order, mark fulfilled, and go back to our app again and go to the analytic page. And now you can see we have 11 orders, and our top product is this now, and our sale of last 30 days. So how you can install this app into your client store. So if I go back here in the Shopify partner and go to the distribution and click on custom distribution, select that, and from here I will select this store. Let's say this is my client store, and I would like to install on this store. I'll type the store domain over here and generate the link. It will give us the link. I'll copy that and paste that over here, and it will install the app into my client computer. It will ask the permission, so I will install this app. Once this app is installed, I can go to slash app slash analytics. Let me correct the spelling. Okay, I think we cannot install the app on the client side, client store, until we deploy the app on the server. So you can see the functionality over here. We have the last 7 days sale. I have not made any order during last 7 days, but this is how you can build the analytic dashboard. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.